Hi, my name is Ira, I'm Kate's assistant, and today I would like to tell you a bit more about one of our biggest suppliers. Wire Solutions represent Mikropla since the year 2010, growing the sales on Polish market. A wide range of products, good quality, reliability and price leadership make Mikropla offer very competitive. Mikropla is an Italian company which is situated in Fabriano. They produce housings from plastic, nylon, edge connectors, modular connectors and pitches series. Some of the reasons why you should choose Mikropla products. High quality and certificates, for example UL symbols. Wide range of applications like home appliances, security, lighting and automotive industries. No flame version V2 and V0 and variety of colors. Transparent, white, black, red and yellow. Mikropla products has equivalents to other well-known European producers such as Tyco, Inarca, Stocko, Molex and Colombo Sergio. As a general distributor, we have our warehouse in Wrocław. We always send samples for testing, so please, if you have any questions, contact us. More information about Mikropla products you can find on our YouTube channel or on our website, which is wiresolutions.pl. Thank you for your attention.